another successful cutting operation in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This project features a 150-meter trenching job for Maxis fiber optic cable installation, a critical infrastructure upgrade requiring precision, consistency, and reliable performance on site. For this operation, the contractor selected the COOLMAN 14-inch ECOSMART Blade, one of the most popular and trusted diamond blades in the market today. Engineered with laser-welded segments, certified with OSA safety standards, and equipped with undercut protection, the ECOSMART Blade is designed to deliver dependable performance under real working conditions. The cutting environment presented a mixed material challenge, primarily asphalt, with sections of reinforced concrete throughout the trench line. The cutting depth was maintained consistently at 4 inches, ensuring proper cable placement and long-term structural integrity. Powering the operation was a compact walk-behind road cutter equipped with a 13-horsepower Honda engine, a practical setup for urban job sites with limited space and mobility requirements. On asphalt surfaces, the ECOSMART Blade demonstrated excellent cutting speed, delivering smooth and efficient trenching progress. However, as expected, when encountering reinforced concrete sections, the cutting speed was reduced. This is due to the blade's diamond bond being optimized primarily for asphalt rather than high-strength concrete aggregates. Despite this, the blade maintained stable performance throughout the job. It is also worth noting that the machine itself was operating at around 50% condition with a known issue in the water outlet system, affecting optimal cooling during cutting. Even under these less than ideal conditions, the ECOSMART Blade continued to perform steadily and completed the task successfully. This clearly demonstrates its reliability and adaptability on real job sites. The COOLMAN ECOSMART Blade is an excellent choice for contractors handling small to medium-scale cutting jobs, especially in asphalt applications, offering a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. Lower initial investment, dependable results, and trusted quality. COOLMAN ECOSMART, built for practical performance, where it matters most.